Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. Smudges right here. You might have seen his tail pop up there for a minute. I have some items from Curateur. This is from their summer sale. When you join Curateur, which I did last year, winter time, you get points. You get points for what you buy. So, and then also for what you do. Like if you sign up, they have some different things. If you sign up on Instagram. I can't remember what all the things are, but you know how you click on it and then you get points. Well, I had 3,000 points. Actually, I think I had 3,200 points. And they do have things that you can get for free with your points. And so I looked at that, and they had a sale, half price sale. So everything in their store was half price. So I thought, well, let me see. I'm gonna look into this and pick something out. So this is what I got for free. This is the Shield and Glow set. It's says loyalty redemption. This is valued at $276. So Symbiosis is a great brand. Symbiosis London is what the little sack says. This is a nice velvet sack with a grosgrain ribbon there. It says reveal healthy, glowing summer skin with this combo of Delight Radiance Restoring Facial Serum and Daily Shield Mattifying Moisturizer. Made with bee venom and niacinamide, the serum steps brightens and tones, while the moisturizer contains hyaluronic acid and tocopherol to protect against free radicals and maintain hydration. So these are the products, and I've had this brand before a couple of different times, and it's a really nice brand. So this is the serum, this is the moisturizer, and the serum is 1.69, well, all right, hang on a second. Sorry, wrong thing. This one says moisturizer. I think they have it flipped on here. Yeah, this is 1.01 ounces, and that's the serum, the bee venom serum. And then the moisturizer is 1.69 fluid ounces. They have that just backwards a little bit. No big deal. So very nice products. I'm looking forward to using them. And yeah, it says that they're lightweight for summer. So I've got other things going right now, so I'm not sure that I'll use them right away, but we will see. But $276 value. So that was really nice to get. And then since I decided to get some other things. I think I might have had to spend a little bit to get free shipping. Let me see what that says, if I remember that. I've had this for a little while, I've just been busy. Yeah, I think you had to spend $50 to get free shipping. So that's what I did, because to me, you know, if you're gonna pay $10 or $15 or whatever it is for shipping, you could get a product for that. So that's what I did. So I got this linen and room spray in Santal is the scent. This is Dusa, D-U-S-A fragrances, and is it 2 fluid ounces? Looking to see what else it might say on here. You know, when smudge plops down on things that I need. Yep. Can I get that from you? He doesn't like me to reach under him, but I'm trying. Here we go. Here we go. He rules the world, you know. This says spray ambiental room spray. All right, it's in a different language there. What does it say? Sophisticated blend of smoky and leathery scents. So that's what this is. And this was $13.99, and it was on sale for half price. So it was $7. So I'm gonna spritz it. I don't want to spritz it on him. So I'm just gonna spritz it on my papers over here. I mean, it is a room spray, so it would go in the air. Oh, it's pretty. It's that's Santal. I mean, I'm sure if you smell this, you would recognize this scent. It is it's very pretty. It's like to me, it's a little bit on the masculine side. Of course, with that leather going on there too, it's like a fall scent. So that is very nice. I do like that quite a bit. I was going to tell you all what I'm wearing, and I forgot to tell you that. So let me tell you real quick. I have on House Labs. This is Smudge. This is Guava, and it is the hybrid, the, what does that say? Rio hybrid, maybe lip glaze? It's a gloss. It's guava. And I have fur on my mouth. It's just, you know, it's a pretty doe foot. I mean, it's a lip gloss is what I'm saying. It's very pretty for summertime. I like it. It's very nice and light. It does stay glossy. It's not sticky. I don't like when lippies are sticky. I do have a little fur on my mouth all of a sudden. And then on my eyes today, I have on ColourPop the Star Wars Mandalorian. That's this palette here. And I haven't bought anything from ColourPop in quite a while. This I've had a while. They have a series of palettes from Star Wars. Excuse me. And this is what the Mandalorian looks like. It's this changes lots of different colors in there. Multi-chrome going on there. Very pretty palette. And then I got this beautiful bottle. Let me show it to you, and look at how beautiful this is. So pretty. This is the brand Voluspa, which I've been introduced to Voluspa through FabFitFun. This is the Suede Blanc Moisturizing Hand Lotion. This is very heavy. It's 15.2 ounces, and this was $30, but I got it for $15. Just a really beautiful bottle. I've got gold up here, this beautiful animal print around it, and it's a hand cream. So let's check it out. It says, let's see what it says is in there. It goes all the way around, so, okay. Wrap up in well-worn, buttery soft, suede leather, rich cedar, sandalwood, amber, patchouli, and tonka. Okay, let's see. Let's see what this is about. Well, you know what? I'm not going to open it all the way right now because I have a few going. Well, I might have to because I might not be able. I was going to just open this up and smell it. Ow, it's tight. I'm looking forward to it. Oh, it's nice and thick. It's very mild. It's nice. It is perfumey, but not for me. I like it because it's spicy. But it's not real strong. It's nice and rich and thick though. That's nice. So again, this is like a fall fragrance. These things might be on sale in the summer because they were winter items. So I like that. I like fall and winter scents. So that's very good for me. So $15 for that. And then I got the Augustinus Bader. This is the body cleanser, 6.7 ounces. This was $56 and I got it for $28. So everything I got was $50, everything you saw. So this, if I had paid full price for this, would have more than paid for the box. And this is Augustinus Bader, their famous cobalt blue. And oh, this is nice. It's plastic, but it's, you know, it's like a suede plastic. So easy. This is a body cleanser. So when you're using this in the shower and you grab this, it's not slick. It's not going to fall out of your hands. It says it's with TFC8, which is their trademark. And it is, well, massage into lather, you know, that kind of thing. But I was looking to see if there was a scent on here, which I don't see. It's 200 ml, 6.7 fluid ounces. And it's got a nice top here where you pop it there to squeeze it out, which is nice. And this bottle is nice. It's squeezable. So that should be easy to do. And let's see what it smells like. Not sure what that smells like. I smell some eucalyptus. It is aromatherapy. When you use this in the shower, it's going to be that nice eucalyptus scent. It's going to wake you up. This is a wake you up kind of a scent. So this is what I got for my $50. The Augustinus Bader. This was shrink wrapped, by the way. I did take that off so I could get into there. The Voluspa hand lotion, it says. Moisturizing hand lotion. The room spray, the Dusa room spray. And got this part for free. The Symbiosis set, I'm sorry, Symbiosis London. moisturizer, and serum. So all great stuff. I'm super excited about these products, and let me know what you think. I should be getting one more Curateur box. I'm not sure if it's shipped. You know, this quarter we did not have any choices. They've already shown the products on Instagram and on their website and everything. So when I get that, I will show it to y'all, and then that's going to be my last box. I'm going to cancel because it's too expensive. I got a good deal on it last winter, and they did have, I don't know if it's still going on now, but for the fall box, they had a deal where you could get the fall box, instead of $150, you could get it for $50. So if it's something you're interested in, you might look into that. I don't know how long you had to sign up, or if it was just a one-time thing, I'm not sure. So check it out if you're interested in that. I do have a link below for Curateur. You can see what you think. You all take care and count your blessings. Good to see you. Bye-bye.